everyone. What's going on? Yeah, we're nearly at 80,000 subscribers, and I never thought it would go this far. I say that every time something happens, but yeah, I don't know, it's cool that you guys are here, still along for the journey and still appreciating the nonsense. It's been over a year of doing the vlogs, and I just want to say a huge thanks to everyone that's been sticking around. It's been a pretty entertaining journey, and yeah, we enjoy your comments and your feedback. I just want to say a huge thanks also to anyone that bought something from the shop over the past couple of months. Your comments and just seeing where stuff gets sent all over the world is incredibly humbling, and we really appreciate the support. Yeah, so Juicebox is basically 10 years old. It started as a photo blog website where I would try and document the Irish car scene, and the website's been broken for the last year, and I just hadn't had the time to fix it. So I've had about 1,700 photographs or more just sitting on my hard drive. So from now on, I'm going to do a photo feature on the website every week that we're not doing the vlogs, so because they don't take that long for me to make. I enjoyed doing those. I enjoyed doing those articles, and for long-time viewers of Juicebox, you guys really appreciated the photo features, and yeah, I really want to get that stuff going on the website again. So check out juiceboxforyou.com, and I'm going to just start posting stuff on there every week from now on. It'd be nice to just see some stuff in photo as well. The vlogs are about 6 months behind. Reason being is we don't do stuff all the time. As you can see, there's nobody here now. We all have jobs, and some weeks we're just not feeling it, some weeks we are, so I don't want to be having gaps, so I like having a video every second week. So I've got a nice bank of footage just so I can ensure there's a video every second week, regardless of if we have a productive weekend or not. I hope you've been enjoying the videos. The last few have been pretty productive. I just record every weekend. There's no real plan. These are pretty organic. So it's just what happens over a weekend space, and then I try and condense it into a video. Stick around till we finish this. Leave a comment. Let us know how you feel. Turn on your notifications if they're not on. I see a lot of people saying they're not getting notified. Maybe YouTube hates us because we swear a lot, but yeah. Let us know how you feel. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. Let us know if you enjoy what's happening. There's going to be a lot more Barry. I'm doing a Barry sticker. The shop will be open again in a few weeks. I'm just trying to get some stuff sorted. Yeah, hope you enjoy this episode. There's loads of stuff happening. The pistons are ready to go into the engine. This thing is finished. Dougie's finished the engine conversion. Whoa, listen to that sound! Listen to that raw noise! That's funny! Great. Jamie, I'm saying you're shy on camera. Thanks. Thank you for these. Thank you for the gift. You gotta put this inside the engine bay.
What? Oh shit, what's this?
A 4.8.
It's free on top. Not this.
Whoa, whoa, set it on fire. Woo! Real streets. No!
You probably know that I like fire, but I found something with a fucking power nozzle. It's the best thing ever. It's actually
Power nozzle.
made my day. How can this not be awesome? Wait till you fucking see this.
What? Yes! Whoa! It's in.
Yeah, it's done.
So it's impossible to do anything here.
Turbocharged Corolla.
And yeah, it's finished. Get those glasses on. One. You do a kickflip. Yeah.
man.
Ready to do some
Ready
actual
to do
work?
some work in the boots.
Learn how to skate as well.
Yeah, you're a real lifestyler dude now. Well, Reuben's actually fixing the gearbox.
Because I kept breaking gearboxes, I have another shitty RB20 gearbox. It's actually off a diesel RD engine. I don't even know if it works because I changed over so many things. And I broke the prop shaft as well. So we're gonna hopefully bring it for a spin tomorrow night and break another fucking gearbox.
Goodbye.
Whoa!
What is this?
Look at that tire.
Look at this new bike.
Look at this, it looks like a snake.
Beast mode.
Look
This-
at that. Fucking beast mode.
Do that again, it was nice.
Wastegate.
Yeah. Is that an engine?
That's turbo spooling. Oh man.
It's good how much stuff just accumulates. Look at that. The car stayed here for about
6 months.
6 months, and it's just a fucking. It's like Reuben moved in. I think you'll always be remembered for this.
What? Fuck off.
No mask, fuck off, joint in hand, and welding.
Extra wank factor.
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Quite so much of that shite. Now you could just break it, but sure, while we have the equipment. Oh, these are fair mouse, man.
Knock till you've tried it.
Yep.
What's it taste like? Heaven?
Oh man. It's fucking lovely. This is where it's at.
Yeah. Wispa baguette.
So the boys have like a full-blown fucking racing drone HQ here. Bits and bobs of everything.
Lovely pink props.
Yeah, the feminine touch.
So Dan actually is the guy that sold me this. So you can all hate this guy.
Please no hate.
No. So look, now we're working on the shitter. Josh,
It's a shitter.
it's shitter. The front panel has just fucking snapped coming off down the road. And the cross is in behind it on the Micra. So we're gonna fix it. Give it an old knock. Hello?
Neil there.
Hello?
You guys are doing what they're doing.
Reuben's doing a clear out.
Yeah, I'm giving him free stuff. I give away a free welder. And
Now-
here's a Corolla radiator with electric fan.
All right.
There you go.
Thanks. This is all Reuben's area. All this. So Reuben has this space
All mine!
all the way back to his car.
Nardy,
Nardy, scrap,
in the bin.
Yeah.
PS13, fucking corner
PS13, corner light.
HKS Electronics glove box insert for an R32 GTR. Tommy Conrods for a GTR. They are also
€10.
€10. Lots of Nissan Skyline bits. Many rocker covers. K70 Corolla grill.
Yeah. K70 Corolla grill, Japan. €10. $15. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, we found filler in there. Oh, really? Yeah, that was so. Got a dodgy old thing done. Yeah, they just were like, She was crashed before. This is a blue wing. Look, see the blue paint. Just the horn. There's the roof off the 8.6. It's fucking lovely in there. On there. Rust though. I'm just plagued with the old rust, man. Oh, look at that filler dust. You love the rust. More rust today being cut out.
Well, sure, this is true car enthusiasm.
Yeah, this is a real car shit, I guess. Now.
Maybe 3 times.
3 times, maybe.
Anyway.
Here. Yeah, you're destroyed.
It's a shape, it's an L shape.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like
It's a
Tetris.
J shape.
Simply brushed in wax oil, absolutely everywhere.
Jab, 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 jab.
So the front panel is a notorious thing to go on these cars. The same Prodigy album has been playing for about 3 years. Oh, lovely. So much going on here. There's a fucking drone inside the shade. Josh is going to tack on this over piece. Hopefully the wax oil doesn't go on fire. Shit is really, really flammable, is it? And the wax oil is going on fire inside. Big fire inside. Car is on fire! Fucking slammed! Oh. Dodgy job. The front panel piece is completely rusted on, so it's got to come off with a grinder. Looks like it's bolted in. That's grand. Yeah, that is it. High quality masking job, as you can see here. Stuff. Just shake it vigorously. And just like that. Dirt. Right, so it's back on. Put on the front bumper. Threw a bit of shite in there. It's tacked on. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. Lovely!
If he catches fire, he asked for this.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow him with the fucking thing.
So, walk away. Whoa!